It's melting. It's melting. So you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this fabulous low carb, keto friendly hot cocoa bomb. This is the first video of the mini series. Valentine's Day is coming around the corner and we don't want to be tempted with chocolate, so make sure you watch the video. So you guys, these are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. These are the Lily's milk chocolate style baking chips. I use a little bit of this. I think I have at least like 5 ounces still of the chips. Unsweetened or unsweetened, I don't know how to pronounce it. Cocoa powder. This is for decoration purposes. I bought this at Amazon, I think it was. Yeah, Amazon. It's just for decoration purposes. I won't be using a lot. You will see at the end of the video. And I'm gonna be using also the pure organic all-purpose stevia blend. Oh, and also I'm gonna be using a little bit of this mini marshmallow. I know they are not low carb, they are not keto friendly, but I'm only gonna use maybe 3 or 4, and also I don't eat them most of the time, so I'm not a huge fan of marshmallow. I just wanted it to look pretty. And also I'm gonna be using almond milk. So the equipment or the stuff that you will need to do them, it will be a bowl safe, microwave safe bowl, and also the mold. I bought this at Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. So these are the 2 things that you're gonna need. So I'm gonna wait how much chips are here still, just for references. So still have 6.4 ounces of the chocolate. So I'm gonna hop this in the microwave. I'm gonna be I think 15 to 20 seconds increment times until they get completely melt. I don't want to burn them, so that's why I'm gonna do the 15 seconds, between 15 seconds and 20 seconds on my microwave. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be doing the mixture between the cocoa powder and the sweetener, in this case the pure. I like equal parts. I like equal parts of the chocolate and also the sweetener. That is gonna depend on your preference. So I'm gonna do per bomb. I'm gonna get at least 2 bombs. Let me continue here. I think, yeah, one more time. So I'm gonna be doing 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4. It's a lot of chocolate, and 4 of the pure. I'm gonna link everything that I can find on my Amazon store, so it's gonna be down below. Same. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's mix this completely. Let me check on the chocolate. Ooh, almost ready. Oh, it is done. I think 1 more. Just, oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Oh guys, make sure that you get the actual Lily's, but the one that is the blue package. Yeah, because this is the, yeah, stevia sweetened. They have some that is semi-sweet and no not sweetened at all. So I recommend this one if you like sweet. The chocolate is ready. So here is the consistency. I didn't want it to warm it up more because I'm afraid that it get burned, because this burns really quickly. So it's pretty simple. So let's put a little bit down in the center, and then after you do that, you're gonna spread it out with a spoon. I'm gonna do like this process twice. I wanna do first layer and then pop it in the freezer for around 15 minutes to make sure that it's set, and then go again to make sure that it's not empty space. So this is how it looks like, a little bit more. Go again. So Hobby is holding up the camera. Say hi, Hobby.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
This is how you want it to look like. I'm gonna put it, like I said, in the freezer for around 15 minutes, just to wait and see that everything is covered. Let's do one more. Yeah, I think it's gonna be enough for 2 bombs. The same. Okay. So I'm gonna have this in the freezer. I'll be right back. So those babies are in the oven. I don't know why I want to say oven. Anyways, I'm gonna wait the marshmallows, because like I said, I'm not a huge fan of them. So let's see. It says serving size 30 grams or 2/3 of a cup. I don't think I'm gonna do that amount, but let's see. I'm gonna be using Carb Manager. This is not sponsored for them, but that's the app that I use. Let's scan. Obviously said avoid 2/3 of a cup. This is wrong, because oh yeah, it is right. See, it says focus. Let's focus. So 23 grams, it's gonna be 25 grams of carbs, but I'm not gonna do that amount. I'm gonna do less. So unit, let's change it to gram. I didn't buy this scale on Amazon, but I think I have linked one similar to this one, so you can check it also down below. So let's see how many are here. So we have 5 grams, 6, 8, let's do 9, 10. Oh, by the way, I was able to do 3 bombs, and I still have a little bit remaining, so I think this is more than enough for another one, so we'll see. And also, I didn't put the timer for 15 minutes. I put it for 5 minutes and see how they're looking. Let's see how many carbs will be if I do the 5 per bomb. So if I do 3 grams, it will be 3 net carbs. So 5 of them, it will be only 3 net carbs. So to me, that's more than okay. I can do a little bit more. Like I said, I do it to look it pretty, so I probably won't eat them. I will give it to my husband, because I'm not a huge fan of marshmallow. So let me check on those, baby. I'll be right back. So you guys, they're ready. Only 5 minutes. And I don't think I have to go back, because they look pretty even. Oh, yeah. I missed a spot over here, so I have to go back. But you can see they look perfect. Let me grab the camera. Okay, here it is. They look perfect. Only 5 minutes. But yeah, basically this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna depup them. Let me grab a plate. You wanna grab a plate or something that you can put in the microwave, because you have to warm this up. So you want to warm a plate, because you're gonna put the bomb here, the edge, to melt a little bit. That's gonna be the glue So I'm gonna explain it a little bit more. So let's do this maybe 45 minutes because I want it pretty warm or hot. And also I'm gonna be putting them here on some cupcake thingy over here. So let's dip up the first one over here. Oh, pretty simple, pretty easy. Here you go. Here goes nothing. Here it is. Perfectly shaped. And let's start with the steps. 45 seconds heat. This is starting melting on my hand, so you don't need a lot of heat. Let's melt this away until the edges are even. I'm gonna see the edges are even. I'm gonna put it here. And now I'm gonna put the mixture of the unsweetened cocoa powder and the pure sweetener. And you know what? I don't think it's gonna fit, so I'm gonna be doing only 2. Yeah, 2. The mini marshmallow, I'm gonna do 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pretty cute. Let's dip up the next one carefully. We don't want to crack. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Again. Even out the edges. They look pretty even to me. That's it. I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the other, and I'll be right back to decorate them. So guys, this is it. I was able to do 4, so this is how they look like. If this chocolate melts really fast, so you can see my fingerprints all over them, so make sure that you act fast. I put the remaining on the microwave again because I'm gonna be using this for decoration purposes. So I'm gonna grab a little bit and just to make it pretty, and add some sprinkle. Like I said, just to make it pretty. And that's it. So here's how it looks like. Let's go to I'm not a pastry chef or nothing, so I wanted this like a dot. Go over again. Some sprinkles. Because sprinkle makes everything better. Again, big dot in the middle. God, I have a mess here. So, the same thing. Because the drizzle didn't work, so make lemonade out of the lemons. Same. Let's go over. Oh, this is a lot. So you guys, this is the final result. I love it. Like I always say, make the most with what you have. So this is low carb, keto friendly hot cocoa bombs. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing like a mini series because Valentine's Day is coming around the corner and we don't want to be tempted with chocolate. So this is the first video that I'm gonna be posting for the series. Remember guys, be kind to yourself and sharing is caring. See you next time. Bye bye. And you saw that I forgot the taste test. Like I said, this melts pretty fast. So make sure you work pretty quickly with them because they start melting in your hands. You can see the fingerprints over there. Let me grab hot almond flour. Unsweetened almond milk. This one is with vanilla. So let's pour this baby in and let's see it melt. Oh, it's melting, it's melting. Oh, it smells, you guys. Oh, so good. Let's see. Cheers. Oh my God. It is bomb. It is bomb. The only thing missing is a slice of cheese. A slice of cheese at the bottom. I'm gonna do that right now. And see you guys next time. By the way, don't judge me. Don't knock it until you try it. Slice of cheese, American cheese. And that will be it. See you next time. Bye-bye.